Hey YouTube, what's going on? This is ITalkFortnite, back again with another item shop video. Today is May 3rd, 2020. Hopefully you guys are doing wonderful today. I put out a podcast today. Definitely give it a listen if you would like to hear me talk about Fortnite. If you'd like to use me for support or creator, my code is ITalkFortnite. Oh, Power Chord is back. How nice. Anything changed with the Star Wars stuff? Does not look like it. Everything is still the same. Kylo Ren stuff, Rey, Sith Trooper, nothing has changed for the Star Wars stuff. Okay, so Power Chord. What a nice surprise. She's got a new edit style. Comes with a backbling 6-string. I don't know if you knew, but she got an edit style, and it looks really nice. So that's pretty cool. Anarchy axe. And the stage dive glider. I love this set. It's really good. Bunnywolf is back. Switch styles by changing between harvesting tool and weapon. I forgot about that. Heart grid is the back bling. And the Llion, or the Llion, I don't know. Back bling is diamond grid. Really cool skins, honestly. But the Neonimal wrap, this is a really good wrap. That was actually my Blizzard. That was my Blizzard application noise. That is so weird. I get like weird noises play off of my computer sometimes. Zorgaton bundles back with the harvesting tool flying slasher. And the team space emote. I guess maybe because of that one thing that happened. I forgot. Master Minotaur is back with the backbling bull shield, the wild tangent harvesting tool. Is this because the FBI confirmed the alien thing, the UFO thing? Is that why he's in the shop? I could see it. Feelin Jaunty's back. Great emote. Grande is back. Does have an edit style with the backbling Grande pack. Weird to see her in the daily, but it's a good skin. Whirlwind. Top 10 favorite emote. I love the beat to this one. Really, really good. And Scorecard emote is also back. All right, so that is it for the shop today, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, let me know the like, comment down below what do you think about the shop, and subscribe for daily content. Have a good one, everyone. See ya.